Hello friends, welcome to InfoViz World. Today I am going to do a complete set of tutorial lessons on Excel. So if you interested, do subscribe our channel so that you can check out our videos on Excel. It will be complete compact tutorial where we'll be taking you through different kind of functions, advanced functions, and as well as Excel macros. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So in this lesson, I am going to take you through sum function, how we can calculate sum, right? So the different way you can calculate sum. So here you will be having a data of product, date, and sales, where basically you will be having each day level, what are the products sold and what's the quantity of it. So if you want to calculate the total sum, this is the question right now. So how we can calculate? There are different ways. There are four way you can calculate sum. The first way is just add these numbers one by one, right? Add these numbers one by one. So this is how you can do it. So you say in this cell, I will just select each cell number, right? And add plus sign in front of it and calculate the sum. This is a very simple way. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting an equal sign in cell C18 and adding all these cells one by one and calculating the total sales happened till date, right? So this is one of the way you can calculate. If you see here, this is total sum is around how much? Yeah, 24,070, right? So this is sales, total sales. So how you can calculate in a different way? There is one more way you can calculate sum, that is if you go to home tab, in home tab there is auto sum. So if you click on auto sum, it basically selects all the data which were available and calculate. If you click on this, enter, if you hit enter, it will calculate the total sum of these all cells. So this is another way. So basically what you're doing right now is you're going to home tab, and in home tab there is a function called auto sum, that is nothing but it's here, right? So you click on that, holding cell, so basically you select the cell where you want to put, where you want to calculate the sum, and click on it. So it will basically calculate all these values, right? So this is another way. Then there is a third way. So in the third way, how you can calculate sum is, so you can, so I'll just delete this. Before going to the next step, I will take you through how this auto sum will be calculated. See, if I am trying to calculate auto, if I just click auto sum on this, right? See, I'm just putting a cursor on the next cell, not the next to the data available. I'm putting the cursor on here and trying to calculate the sum. It basically what it's doing is from this, then the cell which I have considered, from there it will going up till the data available, right? And calculating the sum. Now say if I am removing, I will be just deleting this cell. Now again I will try to calculate the sum. See the difference now. It only goes up to the empty cell. Did you notice it? Why? So it basically from the cell which you have considered, from there it will go up till there is any empty cell or there is no other data available, and try to calculate the sum. This is the second way which I told about auto sum, how it will be calculated, right? So there is one more way you can calculate the auto sum, that is select the cells for which you want to calculate auto sum and use sum function. This is another way. So what I'm trying to say is just select the cell where you want to calculate the sum, click on equal, then say sum, then bracket, then it asks for enter the numbers which cells you want to calculate the sum for. I want to calculate sum from C1 to C17. I will be closing the bracket and I'm entering it. So again it's calculated. So this is the third way, and there is a final way very quickly you can calculate a sum, that is with the keyboard. How we can do it? So I'm just, let me type it here first. So what I'm doing is I'm entering alt, I'm holding alt, then I'm holding plus sign, alt plus on the cell. Okay, let me show you how I'm doing it. So I'm selecting the cell where I want to calculate the sum. I'm pressing alt tab in the keyboard and plus. Automatically it selects the cells. Similar, it's the same as auto sum, which is calculated till it goes up at the where data doesn't exist, till that cell it goes and calculates the sum. So this is the fastest way. Say for example, so if I want to calculate again, let me delete this, and I again go here and click on alt and plus sign, right? So it calculates the sum till there is a blank cell appears, right? It goes up. So this is how auto sum works. So there are different ways you can calculate the auto sum. There are 4 ways, as I said. Let me repeat it. So just adding each numbers one by one by each numbers cells one by one, or you can go to home, that is nothing but from here, and clicking on auto sum. Apart from that, you can also select all the cells and use a sum function. From that also you can do you can calculate the sum. Apart from that, you can use keyboard using alt plus, right? So these are the 4 ways. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel, and I will be posting very interesting videos on the Excel tutorial. Let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you and namaste.